getting up early, eating lunch, swimming in the sea, cooking in the kitchen, reading books, taking pictures, playing video games, running in the park, is a lot of fun. Let's stop